Fluffy eggs glazed in sweet and sour sauce. This dish was born in Japan, inspired by Chinese and Western flavors after the war. A taste once meant for special occasions, now a beloved part of everyday home cooking. Takes just 10 minutes, but brings warmth and nostalgia to the table. The tangy sauce and gentle eggs make every bite melt into your rice. Let's make this heartwarming bowl together.